I'm Marcus Morton. I'm one of the managers and co-founders of Cyber Square here. Cyber Square is in Bossier Parish, Shreveport, Louisiana, in the Haynesville Basin. From PowerScreen, Texas, we own the Agrisand 206 Terex wash systems, several of those, and I think we have a couple more on the order, and then a significant amount of other equipment around here as well. We are a very unique proppant manufacturer in many ways, one of which we dredge all of our raw material from the Red River. So our raw ore feed that we make our product out of is a little bit different than the competitors around here. So to do that, we had to have a highly specialized and customized plant, and that's where the Agrisand 206 really shines for us. Our operation, is essentially a startup company. Now we're going into our third year. So we've been able to create a whole bunch of new jobs that before did not exist. We've been able to really become the pioneers and leaders in the damp sand movement and fracking, which obviously lowers the CO2 footprint for the supply chain of natural gas. It also is a big safety issue for all the workers, moving away from the silica dust and the potential for silicosis. But the biggest local impact we've had is getting all of this massive amount of sand out of the Red River that's been starting to fill in the bottom since they put the dam in south of here. They put that in about 30 years ago. So a massive amount of sediment has been building up in the river, which has been leading to catastrophic flooding. And so our ability to take that problem and turn it into a quality product has been very beneficial for both Shreveport, Bossier, Caddo Parish, Bossier Parish, the surrounding cities, and Barksdale Air Force Base. One of the things that was lost in the area in the floods in 15 and then hit real hard again in 16 were a lot of the local honey manufacturers. So when we were starting to grow and lay out our master plan, we had some excess acreage that we weren't going to use for the foreseeable future. And so we took that land and dedicated it to honey manufacturing and partnered with Hummer & Sons, which is, I think, the largest local tri-state honey manufacturer. Obviously, we don't go out and put on bee suits and go deal with the bees. They come and deal with them. But it's been very helpful for both those small businesses, but also for the local economy. And it's the same with fracking: no sand, no natural gas. If you don't have any bees, you don't have any food. So we see it as a very good thing for the environment. TWS equipment is not only high quality equipment, we're in a really harsh environment, but they stand behind their products. Working with PowerScreen of Texas and working with TWS and their whole line of products, I mean, we employ them not only in the wash plants, but in many other products out here and offshoot brands of their company. And they stand behind them if there's ever any problems, and that's critical to us. We're a 24-hour a day, 7-day-a-week business, and it's a very normal thing that we only shut down on Christmas Day. So we really don't have time to have to figure out products or try to convince a manufacturer that they need to step in and help out with any issues that have been caused. But we never have that problem with TWS. They're Johnny on the spot for us. PowerScreen Texas has been a phenomenal relationship with us. It's almost like having extra employees. When we have a problem, either myself or Denzil Blount or Shane Bell reach out to them, they are here, almost immediately. It's a great relationship. They're very responsive, and in a 24-hour day, 7 days a week, high stress industry like frac sand, it's critical to have that support.